This is a quick Branco video showcase for the Hori Hori gardening knife. On the front features my logo and also a couple of beautiful snowdrops permanently etched into the blade. A nice sharp edge around 2/3 of the blade and vicious deep serrations around the other third. It's got a hollowed out section on one half of the blade and nice dagger style double bevels on the other. It's got die stabilised wood for the handle scales, fixed on with beautiful Mosaic pins and a nice lanyard tube. The finish is nice brushed finish on 4mm thick N690 stainless steel. Please check out my website www.brancocustoms.com. Thank you.